Let's wipe your tears away to make you feel better again. It was just a scrape, so now you are ready to play.
Taka, are you okay? Do you have a boo-boo today?
Did you bang your knee a little bit? It looks red now, but don't worry, it will go away, so you are ready to play.
Baby whale, are you okay? Do you have a boo-boo today?
Did you bump your head swimming around with a little rub and a little hug? You'll be happy again, so now you are ready to play.
Sharky friends, you're all okay. You all got a boo-boo today.
With all the boo-boos and bumps you had, you felt sad for a little while, but you're smiling